Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah and today we are going to learn how to create a grid of pie charts. So firstly, you have to go to Flourish and you just press new visualization and then over here in line bar and pie charts, just press show more and then you'll see a grid of pie charts. Then you have to wait for it to load. So then you're just going to be met with this templates, and we don't exactly need the templates. So over here you can just clear the sheets and in the preview there'll be nothing, of course. So here you can write name or whatever you want the title of this to be, and you can set this to whatever name you want. So here I'm going to be adding 3 names. So as you can see, there's still no preview. That's because you have to add like the percentage. So over here, I'm going to add like 30%. And here I'm going to add 10.5%. And lastly, I'm going to add and over here I'm going to add 60.5. So this is our preview for, so over here you have series 1. But as for series 2, you also have to add the values here. So over here I will add 5.6. Over here I will add 74.1. And over here I'll just add 20.3. So now, as you can see, in series 1 and series 2, you can have 2 pie charts. And also over here, you can change the theme of it. So I'm just going to change this to this, and you can also just change all the settings over here. So these are really important. So that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.